how to create a home workout equipment store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify is a platform that allows you to create an online store without any programmation or any creating from the scratch like WordPress or the other platforms. So here in Shopify, you can just choose a theme, then you can build in you can build on that theme your own store. You can just make some adjustments, add your logo, and then you will have your store ready to start selling. So first I'm going to show you how you can create your account. So just type Shopify in your search, and here click on the first link that appears, and here click on start free trial, then enter your email, and then you'll have your account created. After that, you will proceed to this dashboard. This will be your dashboard in this platform, and here in your left you have everything you will need to adjust your store. So the first thing we have is the home, it's this one. Then we have the orders, where you can check all of your orders. As you can see your total orders, the orders, items over time, returns, you can see all of those. And then in the products, it's where you can add new products or you can import them from other stores. And here you can see the products by sell-through rate, and you can also click on here to find products to sell, or you can browse sourcing apps. And here we have the customers, the content, and the analytics. And this one is very important. It's where you're going to check your data to see your total sales, your sales by channel, the online store conversion rate. You can also check your online store sessions, the total orders, the average order value. You can see all of those things. Then we have the marketing and discount. Then we have the online store and the point of sale. The online store, I will come back to it later. And then we have the settings. This is where you can change your store details, your billing information. Also, you can change your store currency. And here, you can also change your plan of the platform in here. If you want to choose the plan, you can click on here. And if you want to deactivate the trial that you're using now, you can click on deactivate trial. And here, for the payments, you can also activate your PayPal in here, and you can add other payment methods. You can search by payment method and you can add it in here. For example, let's say so here, let's go with Stripe, for example. We have KFast. Here, let's search by provider. Let's see what we have. So those are all the things that you can pay with. Payzone, Morocco, Ping Pong Checkout, Skrill Official. Let's search for Stripe, and we cannot find it because in Morocco we're not able to use Stripe. So here you can also change the languages, so you can control everything in the settings. So let's close the settings and let's head to the online store to start changing our theme. So here, let's go to the online store to start customizing our store. And here, this is the theme we're currently using. And here, click on view your store in order to view it. And this is how our store is looking like right now. And let's close this one. And if you don't like this theme, you can just scroll down and you can choose from these themes, or you can click on visit the theme store, and here you can filter by price if you want the free themes or the paid. Let's go with the free themes. We have 12 free themes, and here you can choose the theme that you'd like. It's enough just to click on the theme, then check the theme. If it fits you, then you can install it to your website or your store. So let's close this one and let's head back to start customize our theme. Click on customize, then you'll proceed to this page where you're going to customize everything about your theme, and everything here is made easier because of this option that Shopify has installed, which is the inspector. It's the option that allows us to just put our cursor anywhere we'd like, and then by clicking on it you will be able to change it on your left, and if you turned it off you will not be able to do that. So here I'm clicking but nothing is happening, so let's just turn it on again, and let's start by changing our announcement bar. Here let's turn on this option, and then let's go back to change the text. Here let's change this text, free shipping worldwide, for example, and then let's go back here, add another announcement. Let's go with 50% off today only. Today only, and here you will see that they're going to change every 5 seconds. As you can see, now they're changing. So that's when it comes to the announcement bar. Then let's go to the header, and here head to the theme settings, click on logo, then click on select image to upload your logo from your desktop if you've already created it. If not, you can just go to explore free images, then choose your category. For me it's fitness and sports. It's about home workout equipment. So let's see what we can find in here. Home workout, you can choose this as a home workout, and then click on select. Then that will be your logo. And guys, just make sure after you're done with making all of the changes that you want, click on save to save your changes. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.